Jai Johar everyone, myself Ayushman Sharma, and today in this video I am going to talk about Chhattisgarh Chronicles, a Python adventure. So this project is built for Stanford University's Code in Place 2026 final project, or the we can say CIP 2026. And let me tell you that CIP 2026 or the CIP is the flagship program of Stanford University, and it's a very great initiative to bring students across the world together to share ideas and learn programming. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned programmer, I would recommend you that you definitely should give it a try and you will definitely enjoy it here a lot. So I wanted to develop this project by combining technology and storytelling and the place I call home. So let's just dive straight into it. So this is the ID of code in place, and here are the files of my project main.py, game.py, and data.py. So it's purely built in Python. And before we start, give it a thought what I'm saying. That whenever you hear about India, you often hear about the most famous places across the country. But Chhattisgarh, let me tell you, it's a very unique, underrated gem. So, because I'm saying that because it has its own unique local language, local cultures, traditions, and forests, wildlife, and whatnot. The list goes on. So, if you ever want to visit Chhattisgarh, definitely give it a try. You will enjoy it a lot here. And now, just let me, the yeah, I'm in the main.py. Now I will run this project. Okay, so here we are. Let me just close this. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the starting or the what we say. I don't know the term exactly for the when we use in this gaming field. So I would say it as a starting page. So this is the title of my project as I stated earlier, and here you can see the instructions. The first one, explore the five iconic landmarks of Chhattisgarh. So here you in this game you will come across the five most iconic locations of Chhattisgarh. Like there are more than that, but still I wanted to make this game include for just the five. So I considered only five, and then answer the quiz questions to earn points and bonus score, and then to build answer streaks for score multipliers, and then collect all five artifacts. Yes, there are artifacts when you visit any place, and you can definitely replay each round to beat your highest score. So you can click anywhere to begin your journey. So as you can see, this is the project and this is custom built map purely using Python, the Canvas API. And you can, before I would start this, just one more instruction that when I was developing this project, I wanted it to be like you are just moving from one place to another directly. Like you might feel like I'm teleporting, but no, it's not like that. You will be definitely traveling like a real adventure. As here in this game, the player physically moves across all the locations. So I will show it to you that suppose here in this the five locations. These are first the Sirpur, Manpad, Bastar, Chitrakoot Falls, and Barnavapara. So whenever I click on Sirpur, here you go. You see that there is a quiz, and there is a did you know part of this pop-up. And as you can see here, it shares a fact that Sirpur has over 100 temples and monuments from ancient times. Can you imagine that? So, Sirpur's famous ruins are from which era? Okay, so before I answer that, I would also like to highlight the features of this that whenever you go to any location and just click on that circle, you will get to know a lot about different things like local culture, traditions, wildlife, or many more things. and you will have to face this interactive quiz. And don't worry, it's not very difficult. It's just basic, and don't stress it out if you don't know, because I have put here the hint, and you definitely can use it. So let's come back to the question. Sirpur's famous ruins are from which era? Okay, so I think it's from 6th to 8th century CE. So yeah. Okay, I got correct answer, plus 10 bonus points. Okay, I collected, and as you can see, I have put here the sidebar where you can see your score, whether you have got culture score, you have got knowledge score, you have got adventure score, and also you have your own cultural passport. That sounds cool, right? Because whenever you visit any place, the progress bar fills up, and it will show you out of the 5 locations how many you have visited, and it will put a tick mark on the location you have visited. Like currently, I have visited Sirpur and it's already showing the tick mark. So now, and yeah, you can see the artifacts. So here we are. I have collected just one artifact out of the 5, and it is the ancient coin, right? Ancient coin from Sirpur. It's very definitely a very unique artifact. So and also in this sidebar, you will get to see the stats, the streak, and the high score and the round. So I've also provided myself as your local guide or the explorer for this place. And definitely my dialogues will update every time you interact with this map, right? So let's just move. And here we go. So let's say I want to move to Buster. Yeah, Buster. Okay, so here it is. The fact that the Hasdeo Aranya forest in Bastar is home to diverse tribal communities and rich biodiversity. And also, the Hasdeo is the biggest forest cover of the Chhattisgarh. And definitely, it is a home to lots of varieties of animals, and it hosts a lot of cultural and unique things. So let me just move forward this that Bastar is known for which tribal art? It is Dokra metal art. And yeah, I got it correct. So now you can see I got the streak into 2 multiplier, although it just faded away in very quick way. But let me just show it again whenever I visit a place and got the answer correct. So I will go to man part, let's say, and I will also like to show you the hint. So let's just say I click the hint, and yeah, you can see beautiful hand woven carpets and Tibetan food. See, and did you know? So I would just say, what is man part famous for? So we have gotten the hint, obviously. So I would just click here, and again I got the point. And here you can see the streak into 3 multiplier active, and here everything got updated. And now it is time for the Chitrakoot waterfalls. So when it's time to visit Chitrakoot, definitely monsoon season. And this is the fact that Chitrakoot waterfalls is 300 meters wide, widest waterfall in India. Can you mention that? So monsoon season, yeah, definitely correct. And yeah, I got streak into 4. Okay, last place, Parnavapara. And yeah, it is home to which number of bird species? So definitely I know the answer. 150 plus. Yeah, I got streak into 5. That's amazing. Okay, so here the round is complete. And as you can see, I got the rank Curious Traveler. Like I have put 5 different ranks in this game. So every time, according to your score, you will definitely end up on a different rank. And the highest rank in this game is sorry, not campus. It's the Cultural Ambassador of Chhattisgarh. And also, you can play again or get the certificate. So let me just take you to the certificate page, right? So, oh, one more thing that here are the artifacts which we have collected. So let me go through it quickly. Ancient coin which we collected while visiting Sirpur. and tribal mask, which we collected when we visited Bastar, hill souvenir, which we collected during Manpart, water crystal, which we collected during Chitrakoot waterfalls, and tiger badge, which we collected in the Barnava Para. So this is how you see that this game keeps it interactive, unique. I just didn't wanted to build any, boring academic assignment. I wanted to build something that would feel more alive and make the player really engage with the game and really enjoy it a lot. So let me just go to the certificate. And here you go. I got the Curious Traveler certificate and I achieved this rank. And you explored all the five cultural landmarks of Chhattisgarh, culture points 52, adventure points 72, knowledge point 25, and total score 149. So I played one round and you can click anywhere to play again. See, that's how simple it is. So, as for the part that why I built this project is that uh, whenever outside this screen, like in this game, we just collected virtual artifacts of traveling across virtual locations. But outside this screen, we have a real world with us where we live in. So no matter where you live, there are forests which gives us life. There is wildlife that share our planet. There are traditions which connect generations, and there are communities which keep our traditions alive, and much more things. So definitely, my piece of advice is that whenever you get a chance, if you can, definitely plant a tree, be kind to everyone, look out for one another, and yeah, definitely save the trees which are already standing. Because protecting the cultural heritage of any place, it isn't not just about protecting the existing things. Like it's not just about remembering the past, it's about the protecting the future also. So we have got this technology in our hands right now, and it's using this technology we can build some quite amazing things. So let's use this technology to build a more greener, kinder, and more better community around us or better place around us, so that our coming generations would enjoy this world a lot. Sure. So, okay. And also, I would like to highlight that this project definitely challenged me a lot because I have to brainstorm different ideas, build the UI components, build animation, game logic, event handling, state management, and streak mechanics, and the artifact collections, passport, and a lot more. And definitely this the whole map layout. So I enjoyed building this project very much. And yeah, here it comes to the end. So when I would like to highlight that if you liked my project and if you want to share some insights like what is the most liked part of this project which you think, and if anything else is left in this project which can be improved or extended, you can share this in the comments below, or we can connect and my here's my GitHub account, so you can connect me with GitHub on GitHub, and definitely on LinkedIn too. So thank you for watching till this end, and thank you for being part of this journey. And yeah, follow me for more such educational content and upcoming tech projects and tech experimentations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.